Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I wanted to draw attention to those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. Now all we have to do is to tap on this arrow in the right here, which is right here in the middle, let's say, and then go to the settings. Now we have to go to this general section, scroll down and go to other settings. Here we've got restore default settings, so finally the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. Now we can go back to the camera, and as you can see the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.